on the COVID-19 situation, which is going on right now. And I think I want to say three things to the students. One is, a lot of students, a lot of so-called universities are moving to online learning. I want them to seriously consider what does online learning mean and what have universities done to invest. It's not about putting a faculty member or a student in front of a camera and say, okay, now teach and learn. There's pedagogically very, very different things that are happening. Now, we would say that try to dig deeper in trying to understand what the pedagogical constructs of learning from home and teaching from home mean. What does ed technology mean, right? We benefit from 40 years of, as our founding group, NIIT has been in the ed tech space for 40 years. So we have created and been doing this long before COVID came. So that I think is a very important construct, right? The second important construct is what jobs do you look for 4 years from now? Isn't it apparent to all of us that digitally driven, data driven jobs will survive COVID and will be in demand? We again are a technology focused program, which is really focused on industry 4.0 skills. So if the student is looking for, that strong, what I would call recession proof jobs market, then they should look for, programs that help them prepare them for that next 4 years down the road where they're going to be. The fourth, I think the third thing that's important, and Dr. Shukla alluded to it, is we have a very strong foundation. One of our 4 pillars at the university is our Industry Connect program, in industry linked programs. Every student, every undergraduate student who comes to NIIT University spends 6 months on the job. It's not an internship. It's their last semester with a partner. It's our responsibility. 90% of those convert to PPOs in 3 months. So this is almost like a natural progression for those people. So about 80% of our students pursue careers in technology, the technology space. And we have, placements are a natural outcome of all this. So this is an important thing that a lot of students think about, is placements and all that stuff. So I think I'm just extending my discussion on what Raj and Dr. Shukla said to focus on the type of courses that you want to take, the topics, the fact of what learning and teaching from home will mean, and how is the university preparing you for it. And lastly, what if you're a job seeker, but I also want to say this whole concept of entrepreneurship and startups is a very important concept. And which schools are actually incubating these ideas and giving you the constructs to kind of formulate plans around these ideas is important also. So I think those are some of the key points that I would focus on right now. But the student should look for the fitment, should look for, the course types, the faculty is, of course, always going to be a very important piece around these ideas.